time is finally upon us here. It is finally time to take out the motorcycle. Oh yes, how I've missed you, baby. It is that time of year again to saddle up, strap on our bootstraps, and go explore the beautiful spring that's to wait for us. Oh.
We've all been there, expecting to go out for a ride on your motorcycle. But then Mother Nature rears her ugly head. The spring blues seeping into your skin, making you restless, craving that adventure life out on the open road. These are the 5 stages of grief. Denial.
Oh, hey, this isn't so bad. This is manageable. This is fun. This isn't so bad. This is manageable. This is fun.
Anger.
No! 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 I refuse! It's supposed to be spring!
Bargaining.
Please, God! Please! Just give me nice weather! Please, I'll do anything!
Depression.
I can't take it any longer. I need to ride.
Acceptance.
No! I refuse! I am stronger than that! I will ride! There is no quitting! Spring is here, and I will not be cast into the shadow created by the blinding white snow! I am a man, and I will ride. There is no stages of grief for me. I will ride into oblivion. I will slay the winter creature and grow forth into a spring daisy. You will not silence me, winter night, except it's daytime. What's up there, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe down below. In the beginning of this video, we were dealing with the 5 stages of grief. That would be denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. You may have felt these feelings before, several winters in fact. Anytime a rider is quelled, I don't think that's the right word. Anytime a rider is grounded by the harshness of winter, it is a depressing thing. And sometimes you might spiral out of the control. You might spiral out of control, unable to deal with this sort of emotional stress. Well, hopefully my video helped enlighten you and provided some sort of closure to this winter. Yes, it might be snowy and cold and might look like winter, but it is in fact spring. Oh, that's weird. There's a whistle in my helmet. People might look at you crazy, but you can do it. You don't have to be a victim here. I am not. I will rule these hillsides as the only motorcyclist in the entire state of North Dakota, out and about on his valiant steed, braving the winter storms, piloting himself into the unknown. Nothing but him and his Hawk 250 raging against the frigid storm of oppression. Anyways, if you like that video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe down below. I'm Ulrich27, and springtime is almost upon us. So you will be seeing more of my ugly mug. Anyways, until next time, peace.